And that was M.
M. M is for mango. Mango.
This is a mango.
I love mango. Mango.
Mango is also a fruit, and that grows on trees.
I like mangoes.
They can be green, or they can be yellow, or sometimes they're a mix of red and green. And when they get more yellow, then they're riper.
Or sometimes they're just red.
That's right. And this is a chef cutting the mango into slices. And here's a lady eating mango with some sorbet, looks like. Looks like she likes it. And what's this boy doing?
He's drinking apple and mango juice.
Yeah, mango juice anyway. And that is mango ice cream.
Mango ice cream. I love it.
Okay, try it. Is it nice?
It's nice. It's for mango. Mango.
M. M is for moon. Moon.
Moon always comes out at night. Sometimes you can see it at daytime, but mostly it comes out at night. That's a full moon, isn't it? And you see the earth goes around the sun and the moon goes around the earth. You see that?
Yeah.
The moon goes around and around the earth. And there it is again. And that's why we get the different phases of the moon, because the sun shines on the moon in different ways depending on where the moon is as it goes around the earth.
That's a 3/4 moon.
Well, it depends on where you are. See, here we go. There's a moon going through its phases from 3/4 to half moon, crescent moon, and that's a new moon. Okay, and then it goes around again. It just keeps on going round and round. That's why you get all the different phases of the moon. And there is a shot of the moon. You can see the earth from the moon. You don't normally see that, do you? This is a spaceman, an astronaut. He's about to get down off his lander and stand on the moon.
And it's for moon. Moon.
M. M is for manta ray. Manta ray.
This is a manta ray, something called a manta ray. That's a big fish. Look at this.
Yeah.
That's a manta ray. They're very beautiful fish. Very big. There's one in the sea. It's got big wings. It's got its mouth open because it's feeding. It feeds on little tiny things in the sea. And here's a lady who's diving next to the manta ray, so you can see how big it is. It's quite a big fish. And here it is with its mouth open because it's feeding from the things in the sea. It's called a filter feeder.
Yeah. M is for antelope.
Manta ray.
M. M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Motorbike.
Look at all these little motorbikes.
There are a couple of motorbikes and a school bus right there.
These are police motorbikes.
That's police motorbikes.
There's many of them, look. So many police motorbikes.
That's police motorbikes.
Oh, these motorbikes are racing. They're having a race. They've got numbers on their motorbikes. They go, see how low they are when they go around the corners. Oh, here's an old style sidecar, motorbike and sidecar. Someone else sits in the side of it, you see.
It's from motorcycle. Motorcycle.